children need snack because 3 meals are not enough to grow. Snack give us energy and nutrients, but eating too many snacks or too much sugar is not good. So it is important to eat healthy snacks. Hi, I'm Dahi. I'm going to tell you types of snacks. There are many kinds of snacks. Drink, bread, cookie, chocolate, candy, ice cream, and fruit. I like bread the most among snacks. A long time ago, people made bread by mixing grain powder and water and cooking it. Chocolate also has a long history. People grind cacao beans from the fruit of cacao trees and mix them with water. People used to drink chocolate.
Wow.
Hello, I'm Roger. I am going to talk about snacks around the world. Different countries have different snacks. Korea, gnocchi. Japan, umaibo. France, macaron. Italy, gelato. Germany, haribo jelly. Thailand, dried mango. Let me tell you more about the snacks. Umaibo in Japan means delicious stick. It is a cold snack with over 60 different flavors. Macaron in Japan is a soft sweet cookie with cream inside. There are many colors and flavors, so it is fun to choose. Finally, snacks are fun and yummy. Let's eat healthy snacks and stay strong and happy. Thank you for listening.